morning students. Today we are going to do active and passive of modal verbs. Now let us discuss first what are these modal verbs. The verbs which express ability, possibility, responsibility, compulsion, prediction, duty, obligation, or habituality of an action or situation are called modal verbs. In English, can, could, may, might, would, should, ought to, used to, need, these all are modal verbs. Today we will see how to change these modal verbs in active and passive voice. Now let us first see the formation of a positive sentence with modal verbs. Its structure is subject plus modal verb plus first form of the verb plus object on the active side. On active side, its formation is subject plus modal verb plus first form of the verb plus object. But on the passive side, it is replaced by object plus modal verb plus be plus third form of the verb plus subject. So first form changes into be plus third form of the verb. Now let us consider on some examples to clear the change. First sentence is I can lift this box. Change into this box can be lifted by me. So can and first form is changed into can be plus third form of the verb. Now look at the second sentence. She might avoid you. She might avoid you. Might will change into might be and avoid will change into third form avoided. Its right reply is you might be avoided by her. You might be avoided by her. So modal verb and first form will change into modal verb plus third form of the verb. Next type is negative sentence. Let us see its formation for active voice. The formation is subject plus modal verb plus not plus first form of the verb plus object, whereas on the passive side the formation is replaced by object plus modal verb plus not plus be plus third form of the verb plus object. Now let us discuss some examples to clear this rule. You should not read comic books. Its reply is comic books should not be read by you. Should not and plus third form will change into should not be plus third form of the verb. Next sentence is we must not jump red signal. We must not jump red signal. Its right answer is red signal must not be jumped by us. Must not and first form will change into must not be and third form of the verb. This is the way to change negative sentences with modal verbs in active and passive voice. The third type of sentence is negative sentence. So let us see first is its formation for active voice. The construction for active voice is modal verb plus subject plus first form of the verb plus object and sign of interrogation in the end, whereas on the passive side this formation is turned into modal verb plus object plus be plus third form of the verb plus by plus subject and sign of interrogation in the end. Now let us see some examples to clear this change. Example is Would you like to have a cup of tea? Would you like to have a cup of tea? Its answer is, would a cup of tea be taken by you? Would a cup of tea be taken by you? Now look at the next sentence. May I help you? May I help you? Sign of interrogation. This will change into, may you be helped by me? May you be helped by me? Sign of interrogation in the end. This is the way to change interrogative voice of modal verb. Next we are going to discuss interrogative sentence in modal verbs. Let us first see the construction of interrogative sentences with modal verbs. The rule for active voice is modal verb plus subject plus not plus first form of the verb plus object and sign of interrogation in the end. But on the passive side, the rule for interrogative sentence of modal verbs is modal verb plus object plus not plus be plus third form of the verb plus by plus subject and sign of interrogation in the end. So let us now see some sentences to clear this rule. Could she not admit her fault? Could she not admit her fault? Now let us change it into passive voice. The answer is, could her fault not be admitted by her? Could her fault not be admitted by her? Now look at the next sentence. Next sentence is, should they not expect us? Should they not expect us? This will change into, should we not be expected by them? Should we not be expected by them? I hope you have well understood this topic of active passive of modal verbs. Here are some sentences for you to change as home assignment. So here is your home task. First sentence is, can you break this bundle of sticks? Second, you should respect your elders. Third, may I click a photograph? Four, he may win a scholarship. Fifth, you should not write your name in small letters. Sixth, it might not interrupt them. Seventh, could you not digest it? Eight, you must complete it. 9, may I not take this book? 10th, why should I do it? Try to solve all the sentences. Till then, have a nice day. Thank you very much.